bone conduction headphones with a built-in camera? Yeah, this one's different. Thanks to Vibelens for sending this to me to try out. This is the Vibelens Music Cam, the world's first bone conduction headphones with a built-in POV camera. Honestly, it feels like something out of the future. Instead of going inside your ears, they sit along your cheekbones and use bone conduction tech, so your ears stay open. That means you can hear your music and your surroundings at the same time. Great for running, cycling, anything adventurous, or just staying aware. But here's where it gets wild. There's a hands-free camera built in, so you can record point-of-view footage without holding your phone. Is this camera actually usable? It's designed for quick captures, workouts, travel moments, that in-the-moment vibe without pulling anything out of your pocket. They are IP68 water and sweat resistant, so workouts aren't an issue. Bluetooth keeps the connection smooth, and there's an app for managing settings and AI-related features.
Little recording quality that you see here, it's pretty decent. It's not 4K, but you're gonna get a decent quality with audio as well. It's called Vibelens. It's got a cool vibe to it. Just press record anytime you want. You're just gonna record your audio and video as well. Pretty cool, pretty sweet. Not to mention this thing can go underwater, full waterproof. This is especially super cool for any person that's adventurous, likes to go hiking, surfing, skydiving, if you will.
So if you like open ear comfort but also want wearable camera functionality, this is definitely one of the more unique tech pieces out right now. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.